Our Kohler 1.6-liter toilet with Aqua Piston keeps running. We can't seem to figure out how to fix it. Any suggestions/directions would be appreciated.
Hi, I'm Mike and I have 20+ years of experience as a plumber. I'll be glad to assist you today. If you look in the tank, is the water going over the tube or past the seal on the Aquapiston? When I say tube, I meant the top of the Aquapiston.
Yep, water is going over the top of the tube.from on the outside in. The tank is full.
So is this a new installation or existing and it just started to do that?
Existing and it just started doing it.
If you pull the float piece up, does it stop?
I'll try and let you know. Back in a second.
Okay.
It's up as far as it will go. Can't lift it any further.
So if it does not shut off, then very likely there is just a piece of trash stuck in it. It may need to be replaced, but let's try flushing it out first. Turn the water off under the toilet and remove the plastic cap on top of the valve. Turn the head by grabbing the arm counterclockwise and there is a diaphragm in there. Inspect it for debris. Put a cup upside down over the exposed end of the valve and turn the water on a bit and flush the valve out. Turn the water back off and replace the head and cap. Turn the water back on. If that does not do it, you can get a replacement for the diaphragm at Lowe's, but a whole new valve is only about $8. You can replace the fill valve pretty easily.
The cap is pretty secure. Does it twist off, or pop off?
It pops off. Looks a lot like this, right? Full-size image.
Yes. Except the cap is white.
So yes, do the thing. I will be back in about 6 minutes.
Ta-da. It's fixed. Thank you.
You are welcome. I will always respond. Mike.
Have a good day.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.